no basic song.
What's this, Stush Gang? Welcome back to another video with the Stush Life. So yeah, I'm just be honest with you guys, I've been doing a lot of shopping, so I figured I'd come on here and show you guys some of the new things that I recently got. So if you're interested in seeing this mini haul, it's gonna include some perfume, some hair care, some accessories, some makeup, a lot of makeup. Then keep on watching. If you are new here, before we start this video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. On the road to 6K, we're so close to 6K, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you also turn on your post notifications. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life, because we let over there. And if you have any questions or comments about anything that happens in today's video, feel free to drop it down below, because I'm always around to respond to you guys. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, because I have a few things that I want to show you guys, so let's get into it. I don't know if you guys are interested in this look, but lashes are from my lash business, Caprial NYC. This is the signature lash style. Foundation is Lys Beauty. Lips are, I did a few things for the lips today. I think I use my I know I use my Sephora molasses lip pencil, Tarte lipstick in Rum Punch, I believe, Fenty Beauty gloss bomb cream in Fenty Glow, and I topped it off with a little bit of my Patrick Ta She's Expensive lip gloss. Oh, and my earrings I bought from Forever 21 maybe like 4 years ago. So yeah, I've never actually worn them, but I threw this dress on today and I'm like, oh, these earrings will look really cute with the fit. So yeah, everything will be linked down below, in addition to everything that I'm going to mention today. If it's still available, I'll link it down below for you guys, so definitely check the description box for all the things mentioned. So I'll do accessories to start off. The first thing that I recently got were some more 7 Mia scrunchies. Y'all know I always talk about 7 Mia scrunchies and 7 Mia hair accessories in general on my channel. I love their stuff. Black owned business. 7 Mia is also owned by a fellow beauty influencer. Her name is Jador Drew here on YouTube, so definitely check her out. But her hair accessory brand, top tier. I love her hair accessories. So I picked up 3 more satin scrunchies from her business. I like a baby blue one, a mint green looking color, and also a coral pink looking color. I have a few of these. I actually have like 6 or 7 of these already, but I wanted some new colors just for the summer. These are pretty vibrant colors, and I'm wearing a lot of protective styles this summer, so I knew I needed to stock up on some new hair accessories. So I got these. It comes nicely packaged just like this. See, I got 3 more satin scrunchies from 7 Mia. If you guys are interested in checking out 7 Mia, definitely use my code. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is STUSHY. I'll go ahead and leave it on the screen so you can get some money off on the site. These are pretty affordable, but if you want a little extra coin off, use my code. So I also went ahead and picked up a ton of rings from Shein. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all on my hand just so you guys can see all of them, and then I'll have them linked individually down below in the description box. But I was on Shein and I knew I wanted to get a few rings, and girl, I ended up buying like 12. I ended up buying like 12 rings. You will definitely end up in a rabbit hole if you go on Shein's website or go on Shein's app, okay? Because there are so many things to choose from. Child, I really had to say, all right, let's get up out of here. Place your order and get off the app. So I got a few rings, as I mentioned. Like, I got a few rings. They're all gold, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and put all of them on. So I initially went on there because I wanted to buy a I think this is called a Yin-Yang Ring. I think that's what this is called. This kind of ring. I wanted one of these really badly, and I saw them on Instagram, but I'm like, I know I could get them on Shein. So I went on there, found the ring that I wanted, and ended up buying a few more rings. So let me go ahead and put all of them on. Okay, I didn't really buy that many rings, but I bought a good amount of rings. These are all the rings that I got. So I'm gonna start with this hand first. I got an S and a B because that's my name. Those are my initials, SB. So I got an S and a B. The only thing that I realized when I got this was that they were 2 different colors, like 2 different golds. So maybe I bought it from 2 different collections. I don't know. But I'm going to see if I could try to get either the same color gold for the S, because this S is also a little bit smaller than the B. So it kind of looks weird to me, but I know no one is going to really be in my hand like, oh my God, let me see. But you know, just because I have a little bit of OCD, I want them to be the same size. So I'm gonna see if I could find an S in the same color gold, or maybe a B in the same color gold as the S. I don't know. And then I also got this one right here. This actually came with another ring, but it would look weird paired with the second ring that I'm gonna show you. It came with this ring right here. These two came together. But this is such a big ring, like I would never wear it with this, so I just put it on another hand. So on the second hand, there's this ring. It is so pretty. It was just giving me like 90s vibes, so I'm like, let me go ahead and pick it up. And then You guys already saw this one. This is like the Yin-Yang Ring. I think it's called Yin-Yang. It also has some diamonds in there. I don't know if you guys could see it. And then on the middle finger, I got this ring. I really like this as well. And then on the ring finger, I got this heart ring. Definitely up my alley. All these rings really spoke to me, so I definitely would not wear them all together all at once, but they're cute. I definitely wear the SB together for sure, for sure. That's a vibe. And this one I probably would wear with the one that it came with, or I'd like space them out. I wouldn't put it on the same finger. But yeah, these are all my rings from Shein. I didn't really go that crazy. I didn't really go that hard. And my total was $15 including shipping. So again, I'll leave all the links to the rings down below if you guys are interested. And they had a ton of other letters too. So if you wanted to, you know, get your own initials, then you could definitely do so. But these are hella cute. Okay, moving right on to makeup. I watched my sis Tyra's video and she used the e.l.f. Putty Blushes. So I went in Target and I was trying to see if they had any colors, because I know when something new comes out, the girls are running to the drugstores to try to get it. And to my surprise, there were some colors left. There were really only like really dark colors left, but it was fine because I didn't really want any light color blushes. So I went ahead and picked up the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the color Bali. It's like a really deep orange borderline red. Let me open it. This is what it looks like outside of the package. It's like a really deep orange color. I know this will look stunning in the fall, in the winter, and I think it will look really nice on all my melanin gals as well. So that's why I picked it up. And the pan is definitely a little bit more burgundy orange terracotta looking color. So I'm excited to try this. I wanted to pick up one of the blushes because the girls have been really loving the Putty collection from e.l.f. and I don't own anything from the Putty collection. So I figured, why not get a blush? I've been loving cream blushes. I was also gifted the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is what she looks like along with the e.l.f. Putty Primer applicator brush. This is what they both look like. I recently won one of Kendra's giveaways on YouTube, and these two items were in the giveaway box, so I'm excited to try this. I know the girls really love the e.l.f. Poreless Putty line, as I just mentioned, so I was excited when I saw this in the package because again, I've never tried any of their items. So I'll definitely be testing out the primer and I'll definitely be testing out the blush as well, and I'll let you guys know how everything works out for me. If you guys want to see me using new makeup in a video, then definitely let me know because I have a lot of new makeup. So comment down below, let me know if you guys would like to see a video of me using a lot of new makeup, because I could definitely film that for you guys. I was also gifted a ton of Il Makiage's products. If you guys haven't already watched my full face of Il Makiage, I'll go ahead and leave it linked up above, because in that video you'll be able to see how the products work for me, how the products perform for me. But I just picked up a few just to show you guys in the video. This is the No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. I really like this. I also picked up the blush to show you guys and the foundation. So Il Makiage did send these over for me. So I now have a lot of Il Makiage products as well. So the items that I'm about to show you guys, I'm so happy that I was finally able to get them, because two of the items were sold out for the longest time on Sephora.com. Then I realized the actual brand was having a sale on their site, and it is some products from Lys Beauty. So as I mentioned in the intro, I am wearing Lys foundation today. Look at the base. The base is stunning. Honestly, this has become my favorite foundation right now. I've been loving the Lys foundation, so I wanted to pick up a few of their other products. So I went ahead and picked up two blushes from Lys. Their packaging is beautiful. I love the triangle shape, all of their products. And I don't know if I mentioned as yet, but Lys is a black owned beauty brand. It is owned by a black woman. So love that even more. How cute. How cute are these blushes? Would you believe that after I purchased it on Lys's website, it came back in stock on Sephora the next day after being out of stock for like a whole month? These are the two blushes. So I got the blush Inspire, which is this one right here, and Passion, which is this one right here. So one is more of an orange coral blush, that's Inspire, and then Passion is more like a guava pink color. So I cannot wait to use both of these items, and I love the fact that there is a mirror on these blushes as well. Like, that is hella convenient. I also ordered the Lys No Limits powder bronzer. I've been wanting to try this one as well. I haven't tried it as yet, even though I got it way before I got the blushes, because I kind of want to do a full face of Lys for you guys, if you guys are interested in that, of course. So let me know if you guys would like to see that down below. This is the powder bronzer. It's beautiful. It's definitely showing up a little bit more ashy on camera, but I promise you guys, in person, beautiful. And I got the color Strength No Limits matte bronzer. Comes with a mirror. Like, the packaging is just stunning. I also want to show you guys really quickly the box that it came in. Look at the packaging, you guys. Confidence without compromise. Love Yourself XOXO, your destination for clean beauty without compromise. Clean, black owned makeup brand sold at Sephora. You can also buy their products on lysbeauty.com. Okay, so I also picked up 2 new perfumes. One of them was a blind buy. I don't usually buy perfume blindly, but I really like the bottle of this perfume, and after reading the notes I'm like, I might like it. So I went ahead and picked up this perfume on Rebel Scents. I saw Cara Amanique promoting them in one of her videos. They're similar to Perfume Net, I believe, if you guys are familiar with that website. I've never actually purchased any perfumes from either of these sites. I normally get my perfumes from Sephora or Nordstrom. Sometimes I'll even find something in TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but I picked up this Moschino, I think that's how you pronounce it, Moschino perfume. It is an Eau de Parfum, and I got the 1.7 fluid ounce. It is the Moschino Gold. So the packaging is what sold me, you guys. I saw this on the website and I was like, I really want to try it. I read the fragrance notes and I'm like, you might like it, Stush, so buy it. And it was on their site for a good price. So I'm like, you're not really losing much money if you don't like it. I think I paid like $32 or so for this 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. But it is the Moschino Gold Fresh Couture Eau de Parfum. Again, the packaging is just stunning. They did a really good job with packaging their perfumes. So it is a little spray bottle, very similar to something that you would clean with, and I just love it. So you go ahead and pull the top off, and that's how you spray it. Let me spray this real quick, tell y'all what it smells like. It's definitely a fruity floral, like all you smell is fruits. Definitely a daytime scent as well. And I really like how it smells. I actually wore it for the first time all day yesterday, and it is an Eau de Parfum. The fragrance starts to fade just a little bit throughout the day. I was still able to smell it in the night, even though I applied it early on and early in the morning, but it wasn't as loud as how it smelled in the beginning of the day compared to some of my other fragrances that are Eau de Perfumes, like my Angel Nova by Terry Mugler. That perfume lasts all day long. It doesn't matter what's going on. It doesn't matter if you sweat, girl, you still gonna smell that perfume. This one, I could still smell it as the day progressed. It wasn't as strong. So again, this is the Moschino Gold Fresh Couture Eau de Parfum. The next perfume that I recently picked up is the My Burberry Blush. I got this in a 1.7 because I have a lot of perfumes and I'm running out of space on my perfume vanity tray. So I need to buy perfumes that are either 1 ounce or 1.7 ounce bottles, and I just picked up this one that's a 1.7 ounce. So I'm like, okay, you can buy the 1 ounce of this one. So again, this is the My Burberry Blush, and it is an Eau de Parfum. I also own the original My Burberry, and I love that as well, but this smells like what blush would smell like if blush was a perfume. I don't know if that makes any sense, but they chose the perfect name for the fragrance. Definitely a fruity floral. It kind of gives warm floral vibes as well, but it's more on the fruity side. I'm gonna spray it on this hand because I haven't put any perfume on as yet today. I literally just took a shower, did my makeup, and sat down to record this video. So I'm gonna spray it on this hand, let it dry a little bit. I'm smelling berries. I'm smelling berries for sure. I feel like I'm also smelling cedar, but I don't think cedar is one of the notes. I'll go ahead and put the notes up on the screen so you guys can see, but for sure, berries, for sure. This one is definitely a daytime scent, but I do feel like you can pair it with something else if you really wanted to wear it in the nighttime. But this one is hella feminine. It's giving feminine vibes. It's giving brunch vibes. It's giving picnic vibes. And then this one is giving more like everyday vibes. Like if you're just running out the house and you want to smell nice, you want to smell good, I will put on the Gold Fresh Couture. If you're going to go to an event, I would probably pair this with something else just so that it stands up a little bit better. This can definitely be worn on its own. You don't even need to pair her with something else, but if you wanted to, you definitely can. So that's it for my haul, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little mini haul video. If you guys own any of the products that I mentioned today, definitely let me know. That will mean we have similar taste. If you guys have been thinking about buying any of these perfumes, let me know if you're going to be picking any of them up. And if you guys would like to see a full face of Lys Beauty or a full face of new makeup products, then definitely let me know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life. And if you guys have any questions or comments about anything, feel free to drop it down below. I'll be around to respond to you guys. And until next time, I love you guys. Thank you guys again for watching today's video. See you guys all in the next one. Bye guys. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Vibrant cover. These are pretty vibrant cover. Whoever's talking outside, I need you to bring it down. These are pretty vibrant. I literally got these. Bitch, get in here.